Come along, let's play today. Shapes are everywhere, hooray! Look around and you will see shapes as fun can be. Circle, circle, big and round, rolling, rolling on the ground. Square, square, four sides the same. Clap your hands and say it's neigh. Triangle has three straight sides, pointing up so full of pride. Rectangle is long and tall, standing strong beside the wall. Star shines bright up in the sky. Diamond sparkles way up high. Heart is full of love so sweet. Shapes make learning such a treat. Circle, square, triangle.